Conus arteriosis, blood travels anterior in the ventral aorta. Makes sense, right? It's coming off of a ventricle, so an aorta, and then it's in a ventral position. Notice that there are branches, okay? We have a couple kind of subtle branches. You can, that's pretty good. Pretty good right here, though. There are branches on either side, branches on either side. Okay, take a wild guess where these are going. Deoxygenated blood, it's going to be going to exchange, right, oxygen and carbon dioxide with the water in the gill chambers, right? And so these are going to be, they may be called the afferent or going toward the gills, right, arteries. So if you had x-ray vision, you'd see, for example, this artery, right? If you could see through these tissues, you'd see it heading toward this gill arch, right? And it's going to exchange gases over the water in those gills, right? The exchange happens in the gills. All right, now it's going to come through on the dorsal side, right? Starts on the ventral side, it's going to come through on the dorsal side. Starts on the ventral side, it's going to come through on the dorsal side. So here we are on the dorsal side. You're looking at the roof of the mouth, right? You see the teeth here, ampullae of Lorenzini, spherical. Okay, so you're looking at the roof of the mouth here. The gas exchange has gone on right over the gills, and the blood vessels are coming back from the gills. There's one, there's two, there's three, okay, on either side. Here's a fourth one, okay, and they're partners, they're paired, and so these are going to be efferent. We're leaving the gills, branchial arteries, and they're carrying oxygenated blood. So they're all going to come together. Let me roll this liver over so you can see, okay. They're all going to come together. We've got a bit of esophagus in the way a little bit too. Okay, there we go. Okay, so all of these branchial arteries, these efferent branchial arteries, are going to come together and collectively make another aorta. This is called the dorsal aorta. It's running right on the dorsal midline. And that dorsal aorta is going to track all the way down, right, just about to the tail. Okay, and on the way, it's going to be dropping off blood flow, like you can see to each segment here. It's going to be dropping off blood flow to the various organs, including the gut. So, and here we go, right? And so, including the gut. So there are going to be 3 vessels that are going to infuse the gut. Okay, and then what we want to look at is this hepatic portal vein that's going to be carrying blood back, right, collecting blood from the gut and then carrying it back to the liver for processing before it goes to the heart.